I'm Maisie.
And I'm Campbell. We're here to introduce you
to Florida's birds! There are tons of birds in Florida.
Over 500 different kinds have been spotted here.
Over 500?
Florida has pelicans.
They eat a lot of fish.
Ospreys and eagles eat fish too.
Here, fishy, fishy.
The bald eagles are a national bird. There are over 1,000 eagle nests in Florida.
Eagle nests are as big as a car. You can see eagles
at the Great Florida Birding and Wildlife Trail. There are over 500 trail sites in Florida.
From Pensacola to Key West.
Get a trail guidebook.
See you on the trail.
The Great Florida Birding and Wildlife Trail. Florida kids care about conservation.
Looking for family-friendly things to do on the trail? Ask an adult to visit floridabirdingtrail.com and click Trip Planning.